Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. Today we'll show you what are the different lasers available with us. This is a high voltage power supply, 700 volts power supply with the helium neon gas laser is there, 2 milliwatt output and wavelength is 632.8 nm. The output point is this. Do not stare this. Never stare into this laser. And when you attach it, the computer wire is there. Inside there is a gas tube. You can see there is a gas tube. You can see it is visible from here. This gas tube is visible. You can the laser is coming out from there. It is very strong laser. You have a point here to put the rod. Similar to this rod is put as a stand. You can put it on optical bench or any other bench. These are lasers. I show you the working. It comes out from the front. You have to close it with your finger too if you want to just see that, and do not stare into this. If it falls in the eye, it can create damage. So there is one. Now the laser has a quality. You can see it does not change the dye, it does not change the intensity. It keeps on going. I show you. We have got the laser dispense this diffraction gratings also with us. One is 13,500, another is 100 lines, 300 lines and 600 lines. What are the functions? And there are optical accessories also. You can use any one and demonstrate that this is working, how this is working. I show you another demonstration by this grating. You can see if I put a grating behind it, first order, you can see there are three orders available. One is this order center, one is the main. This one is the first main, this one is the first order, this one is the second order. You can see. You see very carefully. Similarly on the other side also, this one is the second order, first order and second order. And if I have it the 100 lines, this one is giving, you just see, this one gives you the first order and the second order. You can see here is the first order, this is main is there. You see this first order, and there is this one is the first order, second order. Similarly you can see here also main first order, and this one is second order. Similarly in this one, the 300 lines will give you one of this order, first order, and this gives you many multiple orders in all directions. I just show you on the wall. This gives you all direction. This is the main, and all these first order, second order, first order. These are all first orders, and these are second orders. You can see outside, and then there are visible things. I just show you on the smaller screen also. You just see this. Just see. You see how easily you can see. I just show you how easily you can see. There so many readings are available. Even here now you can see. I show you one more very interesting thing. Due to the laser, this is possible only laser. This is the main, right? Just see, this is the main. First order, second order, third order. Even the other one is also available on the right side. You can see, if you see very carefully, this one is the first main, right? And this one is first order, second order, third order. So now third order is visible, and they are very special gratings are available. Very strong lasers, you can see. And then there are laser modules. It works very easy, on off switch. Then you can see this is a laser which is showing very strong module, and this one is a little economical model. You switch it on, and then you can see this one is another laser. This is a red green laser, very easy to use. You can open cells, use it. And the other one, I show you how to use the other one laser. Put this on the end to end and close it. This is a red laser. You just see red laser. This is a laser which is have very low cost as compared to the other one. And this one is a green laser. I just show you the blue laser. The green I have shown, red I have shown, and this is a blue laser. You see this. The manual has information. See this information there. This 532 405 is another laser. 650 is the red laser. So this one is The same experiment can be done. All these experiments can be done by this is main, first order, second order, third order visible. See this. With this you can see the coming first order visible. This in this, those two orders are visible. The right side, this one is the main. Right side you can see these two beams visible, and study the diffraction. And these are available. Kits are available with us. Please visit the website and send us an email abron01@gmail.com. Visit the website abronexports.com, and these are the WhatsApp numbers. Please send us an email, subscribe to our channel, and you can study and use our products and see this. Thank you very much.